I love my CTE program because they love me too.
You meet a lot of colorful characters coming in here from all different districts, and the people here are really funny.
I think here just brings great relationships for almost every single student. Every single student in this school is recognized. They all make sure you're okay. When you walk in the door, Dr. Palmer greets you like you're one of his own kids walking into his front door, and so will Miss D.
We do weekly circles and everything, which really helps bond each other and strengthens our friendships here and our work environment.
There's year twos in the program as well that are able to help the year ones just in case they ever needed that extra push or extra help.
It's like a family here, you know, we get along, we laugh, we here for each other. It's a bonding experience.
Some students may not be the biggest fan of math, but maybe they're going into woodshop or engineering where they're learning about how to put all those things together using math into an applicable project.
I have taken a few college classes. It directly correlates with what you learn here.
We work with a lot of microbiology and bacteria and microscopes. Very helpful for my home classes for like my biology there.
I mean, I feel like it really presents a real-life experience you're going to have in the future. Our instructor's pretty good. He really demonstrates an instructor you're going to see in the real world.
You're always doing something active. You're not sitting down behind a desk. You're always working on something new.
And when you work in here, you do the designs you want to be shown for advertising artwork, and it builds you up learning how to use the programming on the computer.
The teachers here really help me, you know. It's hard to some extent, but if you pay attention, study, you know, you can get it.
It really introduces you to accountability. You know, I have a lot of friends that are juniors in high school that are very on the fence about applying for the program, and I just tell them, apply, because you will be one of the most well-prepared students in your college courses, and I can guarantee you that, and especially when it comes to the medical-related courses.
I've learned how to do a correct blood pressure, start an IV, clean a central catheter.
We do a lot of hands-on activities so that you are prepared when you do eventually get your job.
Where teacher prep comes in is not just preparing you to understand your students, but preparing you to understand your teachers. It's nice to know there's a connection between what I'm learning and what my teachers are currently teaching.
I've only been coming here for a couple months now, and I've learned a lot.
It invokes a lot of creative thinking, critical thinking skills. Basically, how to think outside of the box rather than just set rules.
One of the specific certifications that our program has to offer is OSHA 10.
OSHA 10.
OSHA 10, and I did OSHA 30.
You get your CVA, you get your better kid care.
CPR, EMT, and up to your third module in firefighting.
There's so many different coding languages, so once you get these certificates and these skills, you can pretty much apply them anywhere.
This program provided me with a job opening with Toyota of Glen Mills.
I'm interested in going to physician assistant school, and I will be attending the University of Pittsburgh next year.
The pathway I'm taking is CCAP, which is Career Through the Culinary Arts program. You can do job training. They give you competitions for scholarships, apprenticeships.
I'm going to go to college, and I'm going for business administration. And then I also wanted to go for real estate because in the future I do want to own a salon.
For me personally, I'm going to be going straight into the union.
After I finish high school, I want to go and start our own business.
Right now, I am looking to go to college for chemical engineering and most likely electrical engineering.
At the end, I want to end up being a nurse practitioner.
There's a stigma around athletes going to the doctor or getting help. I want to make sure that athletes have the opportunity to get better first.
I intend on being a welder in my future, either pipeline or maybe underwater.
You know, I see so many kids that are in need of love and a good education, so I wanted to be that teacher.
I am going to be a nurse come July 25th, and I cannot wait.
Technical classes like these will just give the experience to you so you know what you like.
A lot of programs for us to kind of pick and choose for things that we might be interested in, things we want to pursue, or things we just want to be better in.
Going to a school like this really opens up your perspective on things. You don't need to work an office job, a normal 9 to 5.
CTE programs really do shed light to careers that you didn't maybe know were out there.
I feel like it's important to always extend your knowledge, go break barriers, and keep learning.
It teaches you all the work ethics that you need to move forward.
We're important because we're the backbone. We work kind of in the shadows, and we get this stuff done that people don't know how to do.
It's a chance for us to be able to better ourselves. Say if your parent never went to college,
You can be the first in your family to go to college, do things that you want to do. And I think that's what we do here at DCTS. We make a dream come true, I'll say.